For this video, I'm going to show you first how to change a cut image into a drawn image, and then I'm going to show you how to position this drawn image on your cutting mat so that the Cricut will draw the image on a gift bag. So first off, we want to draw this with our Cricut pens. And you can see I've inserted a heart image, but right now it's set for cut, which means the Cricut would cut around the outline of this. This would be great for a vinyl project if you want to cut this heart and stick it on a decal on a water bottle or something like that. But we want the Cricut to draw this, not cut it. So all I'm going to do is go up here to line type and change the cut to draw. And you can see that now the outline of it is still there, and that is the path that the Cricut pen is going to follow when it draws this. Right now, it's set to draw it with the black pen, but I can go up here and change it to any pen color I want. Let's go purple. That sounds fun. So now you can also see over here on the layers panel, it says draw. That means the Cricut is going to draw this with the pen. Okay, so now when I go to make it, it's showing just that single drawn heart. And I'm going to want to position this onto a little gift bag, which you'll see when we're actually at the Cricut machine. So I am going to set the gift bag right here, like centered over the 6 line. And I'm going to rotate this so it goes this way because I'm going to set the gift bag so that the handle is up here. So if I place this right here on the mat and hit continue, it should line up perfectly when we're at the Cricut machine. So you can see I placed my gift bag on the mat centered right over the 6. And then I'm going to just load it. And I have my pen in here. So now when I hit go, the pen will draw on the gift tag. And now if you wanted to, you could go back and color that in with another color or do some nice shading. But that's how you can get your Cricut to either write or draw on a bag. You could do it on a tag, just about anything, as long as you position it correctly on your mat. I hope this helped you to understand how to use the draw feature with the Cricut pens. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Let me know how you would use this tutorial for your own project.